The molten aluminum is poured at a precise temperature into the graphite mold. Once cooled, high-speed abrasion.
Gears are heated to extreme temperatures before the critical quenching process. This ensures maximum durability.
The recycled wires entering the crucible, where they are transformed into pure liquid metal. The meticulous breakdown of salvaged engines. Every component is sorted before the steel rods are carried away for reprocessing. Coolant rapidly reduces the temperature of the newly milled gear, ensuring structural integrity. On the assembly, molten aluminum poured into the mold. Once cooled, high-speed polishing reveals the flawless aluminum finish. The recycled plastic is first fed into the extruder, where massive augers blend the material. It is then heated.
Temperatures exceeding 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, the scrap is melted down, beginning its new life as high-quality steel.
Systems ensure perfect calibration. The batch 56 gear is secured, followed by a complete diagnostic scan of the motor assembly. The coil is rapidly cooled by the atomized mist. After the laser scan confirms the dimension, CNC laser precisely etches the serial number before the metal is transferred to the furnace for heat treatment.
Operates at extreme temperatures, transforming raw material into precision components.
parts are fed into the roaring furnace, beginning the cycle of rebirth.
The molten aluminum, heated to over 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, is precisely poured into the die. This lubrication is critical. As the nylon gears mesh, a steady stream of coolant prevents overheating and wear.
Steel rods are precisely aligned before the CNC machine begins the final trimming process, ensuring unparalleled accuracy.
CNC machine ensures precision, rapidly carving serial numbers into the aluminum plates before the excess joins the
Precision shaping
shaping.
requires intense heat, followed by rapid, controlled cooling, as the metal passes through the quenching station.